Hey, Adam here from Butter Technology. Today we are going to be diving into a topic that is changing how we work, learn, and create, and that is ChatGPT. But what exactly is ChatGPT? How does it work, and what can you use it for? Let's dive in. ChatGPT is a type of artificial intelligence, or AI, that was developed by a company called OpenAI. It's a conversational AI that is designed to understand and generate human-like text. Think of it as a super smart assistant that can help you brainstorm ideas, answer questions, or even generate scripts like the one I'm using for this video. So how is ChatGPT trained? Here's where it gets a little technical, but still super cool. ChatGPT is based on something called a neural network. And what a neural network is a computer system that's inspired by the human brain. It is designed to recognize patterns and process information. To train ChatGPT, it was fed a lot of data. This data came from books, websites, and articles, plus a lot more. It uses this data to help it learn grammar, learn facts, and even a little bit of common sense. Then it's fine-tuned using feedback from humans. Occasionally it'll pop up and ask you to provide feedback on the response it gave you, and that actually helps train ChatGPT to be more accurate in the future. So when you ask ChatGPT a question or give it a prompt, it's pulling from everything it's learned to provide the best answer for you. What can you do with ChatGPT? The possibilities are practically endless. Are you a student? You can use it to help with your research. Software developer? You can use it to help debug code or design code snippets that you may need. For instance, I'm not great with CSS, cascading style sheets, and I can never remember how to make a button float or whatever. All I do is prompt ChatGPT, hey, how do I make this button do this, tell it what class it is, and it actually will generate a little snippet of CSS for me that I can just paste where I need it, and it works perfect. Running a small business, ChatGPT can help there too. ChatGPT can help write emails, create marketing material, or even brainstorm ideas for your next big project. I've also used ChatGPT to create various images, primarily vector images, to use on my vinyl cutter or my laser engraver. And I'll put a couple video links down in the description so you can kind of see how that worked out. And ChatGPT isn't just for work. You can use it to write a poem, or help plan a vacation, or create a story. And here are a few tips for using ChatGPT and getting the best results. First, be specific. Being specific with your question will help provide a better answer. The more specific and more detailed you can be, the better the response. Second, if the first answer isn't quite right, something seems off with it, ask again, try to rephrase your question, and you can often get a better response that way. And the last tip is remember that ChatGPT doesn't know everything. It's trained on data that ends at the end of 2023, so anything beyond that, it is not going to automatically know, so it will miss the latest trends. So whether you're a creator, a business owner, a student, or you're just curious about ChatGPT, feel free to jump into it. It is free to get started. I'll add a link to that down here in the video description as well. It's great. It's an amazing tool. Just explore it, have some fun with it. And if you have any questions like how I use it or other ideas you can do with it, just leave them in the comments below, and I'm sure the community will help answer them. Drop a comment below letting me know what you think of ChatGPT, what kinds of things you use it for, or other ideas you have. And then make sure you remember to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and tap that notification bell so that you don't miss new tech tips. See you next time.